Yeah, it's just an update. I got to ask about whether the unit was cut out when we get there or not. Hopefully we'll get to see a couple go down here. Come on, door, stay open. No. Anyways, the cutters are over there right now. I got a shot of that a few days ago, you know, and the timber come all the way down. You know, I think there's 4 cutters in there the last 2 days. I know as soon for a second. YouTube, where you going? You alright? Oh my God, YouTube. Oh my God. You guys alright? Did you make it? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Let's see if we can see some trees falling. I guess I could just set my mount up. There goes another little one. Come on, put some big ones down. Hopefully you guys can say, sorry, I've gotta ship the rigging back. Can't be slowing production down for video. Any big ones go yet? Oh man. I hope I got it. I see that there's one missing there. Hopefully we got it. Anyway, so yeah, sometimes the units are completely cut out, sometimes they're not. We don't have any of our own hand fallers, but the jobs we go to, if they can be feller bunched, we have 2 of our own feller bunchers, so we obviously do that all ourselves, save a little bit of money. Here comes the log loader. He'll probably go by right just about the time the tree starts to fall. Hopefully he's going to cut that big one in the corner now. Now I know at least I know you guys got to see one. Alright, this is the 4th time I've tried to videotape a guy line stump, and every time the SD cards went crazy on me. So anyways, this is what it looks like. They notch it so that it don't roll up the stump. It just goes around. That's called a screwy bell. Pretty much it's just a great big choker bell, and then it comes out the line and goes right up to the tower there. Well, let's see if we can find the tower now. Oh, there she is. Now you can see the guy line go right up there. It goes. This is my back guy line. Like I say, I've got 7 of them. Let's see if I can get an over the top view here. raining, I can't hardly tell. There we go. But you can see how it's notched there. And the line goes around it and goes back to the yarder. And we do that on all sub-aluminum. And then that's exactly what the tail hold stumps look like too. We notch them like that, except for they use a strap and a shackle. And I'll get a shot of the shackle here pretty soon. Like I say, this is the 4th time I've tried to video the guy line stumps. Either the camera went crap on me or the SD card, but we don't have to worry about that no more. So, right on. Stay safe. Get logs.